Kinoyalam ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA kilapan bana ban penlong biang si Shisien ya ke Mareh Thong Sohra Arajar Arpunriu lani ke 5th Sohra Marathon Arajar Arpunriu ke bajengai Arpui kilometer ha ke Tarik Nailur Arajar Arpunriu. Kajing pediang kerteng kan long nadu ke Tarik Naitung hadu khat santarik Nailar Arajar Arpunriu. Hakani ke Mareh Thong ansya tang khatwe hajar ngut kinong Mareh hakit hop reta beper. Ubak san wajri ulepin bena ha Shillong Press Club ha ka arpu sauterik ujeliu ya ka tarik ban pediangi ki kerteng bat ya ka tarik ban penkut ya ka jing pediang kerteng. Kitu ki Samla ki kenarit ki long kemi ki long kepa bat ki temen ki kro ki bakwa ban shimenta ha kini ke Mareh Thong kin penrung kerteng ya ledi rengkat ke bairung lingba ke website jong ke MSOE. Kumta ubak san wajri ulekentui kirang pat kithai eksa banum penslam ban penrung kerteng yelede namar kejingnya keni kan long kebajur hadu kata-kata. Ula betharu ban pulis sani jai ki kendon ki bede bekeni ke Mareh Thong Sohra Arajar Arpunriu. Ke MSOA kalapan kre ya kasopti pengat met lani ki t-shirt bat ki jing betha basyai kedar ban sam ha kinong Mareh nadu ke Tarik hadu ulai Tarik Nailur Arajar Arpunriu. UDD Shira, Director of Sport and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, ulapan benaru baka Sorkar Meghalaya ka ay ka jingkershan bas kem bat batikanay kani ka Mareh Thong. Kiway pat kikenhon ki bakershan kilong ka Meghalaya Athletics Association bat ka Athletics Federation of India. Katban ang telun kisnem ka Sohra International Arpway Kilometer Marathon kal nangkiw ka nam bat slam show kan long ka way ni ki Mareh Thong bapau nam jangkari India. Lakermen bat ang not kinong penyat ke MSOE. Kasora kanang yai kawat keti ye kinong wan kai na keleng kiri ke perthai bat na kijalla kari India.
And we also have Sun Watri, the treasurer of Meghalaya State Olympic Association. So as you're aware, including this run is being organized with 3 stakeholders, that is MSOA, Meghalaya Athletics Association and DSYA with their support. And this is the 5th edition of the Sohra International Half Marathon 2026. We are very happy and grateful to the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs for their strong support in continuing to support this very important event. As we all know that the sports, the half marathon, Sohra International Half Marathon has been growing from year to year, and a lot of local participation is happening. So in this context, and as we go along, we keep learning, from every event we keep learning. So in this context, I'd like to request for our director comments. I would now request our General Secretary of Korea to give a detail on the details of the 4th September, the date which is set for the 5th Sohra International Half Marathon 2026, which is 21K. So, can you say a few words on this?
From the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, we are very delighted to support and assist MSOA and Meghalaya Athletic Association in organizing the 5th Sohra International Marathon successfully. We are very eager and looking forward for the grand and exciting and prestigious events in the state. This time we are expecting even more participation from outside the country and from the elite runners, because the course will also be certified by a world body called AIMS. So we're really looking forward for more participation from the best runners in the country. So we're ready to support and assist in whatever way we can. For the expenditure also, fund has already been earmarked. Last year the expenditure was approximately 3 crores. So we're earmarking the same amount for this year's event. So really looking forward for this exciting and prestigious event in the state of Meghalaya and in this beautiful place, Sohra. That is all from my side.
So special thanks goes to the SDO Civil of Sohra, the SDPO, all the traditional heads as finally has mentioned, and the other line departments, the health department, the other department, education department in the Sohra Civil Subdivision for the very cooperative gesture. We had a meeting just a few days ago, and more meetings will be conducted related to inspections and all that. And for now, I'd like to request our treasurer to explain a few important matters relating to how to register. Shillong, Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, has process of registering with AIMS, Meghalaya State Olympic Association, and also General Secretary of Meghalaya Athletic Association to address you and give you the details of this 5th edition of the Sohra Half International Half Marathon.
Hello. Thank you, Pak John. Pak John, Pak Presiden dan Director Shisien, Treasurer, Hantam yang di nomor partai Khubor, di Malayawan nan pada donkat akan Marsan Lusan kepada Sohra International Half Marathon. Ada di trailer tempi bagi media pada MSA pada penjawab dengan sport Marsan Kamdan minonor jing guna nintai negara gilaya bet. Kami sekarang mentau senam punya trailer ini dan penggunaan yang Khubor untuk negara Sohra International Wasam. Jadi kumpul kreatif mentau senam ini mesti menteri pelat khadwe hajar. Di kerpa di baru aku bagi mentah kin register WhatsApp yang last date kin register kat keluarga bola mungkin mesti hadir badak khadwe hajar. Buat dengan abu yang last date kat Tarik progress. Kompetitifnya negara race lah register yang lah tahu yang dibuat detik approve. Jadi saat standar conduct yang race lah akan penyak di Asia Federation baru kerja. Jadi BCI, t-shirt, skiban, di transport itu di BCI Muslim. Jadi kemen intau Muslim nomor prize money lah pengkir utang dan tak kini elite keluar naga kalau Arsha naga silap stem segala lain anak buat silap. Tiba-tiba baru kena kunjuk. Ini air one station sampusan Muslim judrong di bawah bagi lagi run for fun aspangut kuya lagi gift. Dibagi ini hendak standaris. Kemen kompetitif bagi volunteer so kita hilang bagi Shillong dan Shillong ni ada mau semai. Tergabung saya berjob di pengkod bagi bisurok mai dek bro. Kita hilang bagi Shillong bagi SDO. Baru ikam Khubor identiti. Kemen iba tahu senam bro kalau dah menjengnya. Kemen beliau jenjok kerang bagi enam yang Meghalaya bagi Sohra bro. Apa rumah medal so ngela senang itu dengar. And the root bridge is agree with the root bridge to promote the tourism for Meghalaya. So Meghalaya ini lah besar, lah aktif lah punya federasi tu minta problem, minta dulu buat macam. Di chip kita ibarat tentang teknologi Hyderabad. Jadi baru kita ada kalau ya katun baru lah anjur international hal-hal. Tentang ini rutin tulis pun ni. To promote athletes in the terms of long distance Mumbai, Delhi, so this is the only platform that is recognized. There are lots of athletes, them they are not allowed. So, but this is the only one that has been registered. technical experts, not by us, by those international technical experts. So you know that it's very hard to do what. You see, some of them are even running with elite athlete, and they are.
You begin in the state venture is equal international. How the local people benefits? How these tourists suppose if the tourists come take part as a given?
They all have to, the benefit is one is you are providing a platform, as Secretary has said, for all the youth of the state to participate. We have many favorite destination, and the other point is that we raise them with AIMS, AIMS. It is the Association of International Marathons and Distance Race. So they are an association of almost 400. So what happens if you are registered with AIMS? A lot of serious runners, they prefer to come and run with a more accurately measured, and that attracts a lot of runners. So this year, the first time, we are besides being recognized and certified by World Athletics, we are also applying another level. So we will be part of the global race calendars, where there will be a lot of serious runners. They check that.
We have 21 only for Meghalaya. Not for elite, separate category. So 10K also, we have there's no other race that gives 10K 3 category. We give 3 categories so that we promote old people also. So otherwise just 21K, 10K, 5K. We have 10K 3 category, which is a huge, which is support the government. We can do this. We want to promote wherever you want to run. So you can run 40 years with a 60, 50 years. So you put 50 above, so they can take part. And we know that the last who finished last time, 20 people gave them consolation prize to finish the 21K, and plus the timing is 2 hours, 20 minutes. The bus will come because they want to finish, they are the real runner now. So the aim is to finish the 21K. So we can't close traffic 3 hours, but just for them. So because this time, so we are giving 2 hours, 20 minutes to finish the 21K.
Tarik Julai hadu khasan trik August pada keempat yang baru kita bawa register bagian let check up page yang kami Meghalaya Olympic Association kami Meghalaya Olympic Association.com pada itu kan sedang ke page dedicated page tentang kami ke Sohra ron di semua village hang tu di kita syukuri hang tu iklan dan step by step perlu pendap di form. But the registration jong fee kan long ka badi kena hadian ba filat seal payment. Shu fi pendap shop yang baca seal hadian next time findelek kan pendap ya. Tiga kerfat yang boro bagi menjutu bakla ba hadian ba fi register yang ban seal final kan long confirm ya kan registration jong fee. Makum belum lupa mende secretary ba meta kasien ngin syempang kadu khatbai hajar word. Tilada kanika numbers ka touch khatbai hajar shwa por ya ka portal mihaban close no. Nomor bakania kan unsuk ini jingkung kre haborok pilihan. Pada kalian ke jongiru bila abu di toll free number kaba pila pun phone hantu gidan dibayar fee giban kana khtin pareng khtin khasi bar kumjo kana kharu kibala pada sesifi khabede bar kumno bar pendap ne fidan issues hakbede bar defensive payment ne fidan problem ne te kila bar contact di number kilo 24/7 kena sesifi. Di kubanchi turu ba ya kini t-shirts ya bib number ya ki Iyi beda bakaran yang sedang bersama dengan Tarik September hadu lain Tarik baga kerpan yang baru pakai sofa berwan shimno kamkloi menunggu yang kelas dia nomor pakai sup berba kanum dan kejing kamnya itu bisni nomor kumbang milak macam sedang bah kartu basni kartu dan kapon ibu portang hadu saubuji ya berkan hadu prabuji tiba teng kadiru kapentun nomor badan itu volunteers lagi bahapan biasa Sohra pentembiang setiru tangi komisi buat